Craft engaging writing. Have you ever wondered how to make your writing more coherent and engaging? This video explores the art of crafting well-structured paragraphs. Discover techniques to enhance your writing skills effectively. By the end of this session, learners must be aware of logical order in writing. They should use introductions when writing certain texts and apply organizational markers. Learners should develop paragraphing skills and achieve paragraph cohesion. Conclusions in writing are also emphasized. Mastering these elements leads to effective writing. Writing needs a logical order to help the reader understand your text. All texts should have a start, a middle, and an end. At this level, your writing should include clear and coherent paragraphs. This section will guide you through creating a logical sequence in your writing. Let's explore how to achieve this. To make sense of your text, it needs to be in order. Start with an engaging paragraph that hooks the reader. Follow with paragraphs explaining the benefits of a development. Address opposing views and conclude with a compelling statement. This structure ensures clarity and persuasion in your writing. When writing a complaint letter, organize your points logically. Begin with an introduction to the situation. Detail the main reasons for your complaint, such as poor service. State what you want the company to do, and conclude with your expectations. This order ensures your letter is clear and impactful. A good introduction tells the reader what the text will be about. It grabs interest with a quote, fact, or question. Background information provides context without overwhelming details. Reflect the task clearly by rephrasing the question. Avoid stating "this will be about" and keep it engaging. To make your text interesting, use techniques to hook the reader. Start with a quote, interesting fact, rhetorical question, or anecdote. For example, highlight the importance of vaccinating dogs against disease. This engages the reader from the beginning. Use these hooks to draw your audience in. A good paragraph must relate to a single main idea. Sentences should fit logically together for coherence. Details should be developed to discuss the main ideas thoroughly. A paragraph needs unity and coherence to be effective. This section will guide you in creating detailed and focused paragraphs. A topic sentence introduces the main idea. Supporting sentences provide details and evidence. The ending sentence closes the paragraph, reinforcing the topic. Leave a line between paragraphs for clarity. This example shows how to structure a coherent paragraph effectively. Read paragraphs to ensure each sentence belongs. Identify sentences that don't fit the main idea. This ensures unity and coherence in writing. An off-topic sentence can confuse readers. Maintain focus by keeping all sentences relevant. Ensure paragraphs are coherent by writing in logical order. Use connectives like after, finally, and next. Chronological order helps in narrating events clearly. Connectives ensure sentences flow smoothly. This aids in creating a cohesive narrative. Chronological order means arranging events by time. Reorder paragraphs to follow this sequence. This method clarifies the timeline of events. It enhances the reader's understanding. Use chronological order to improve narrative clarity. Organizational markers help paragraphs flow smoothly. Use them to show time, cause, and effect. They guide readers through your writing. Markers like firstly, consequently, and however are useful. They enhance the coherence of your paragraphs. Use markers to emphasize, contrast, or compare ideas. They also show conditional situations. Emphasis markers highlight important points. Contrast markers compare different ideas. Conditional markers show dependencies between events. Introduce examples to flesh out your writing. Use facts, statistics, and descriptive words. Provide contrasts and comparisons for clarity. Examples support your main points effectively. They add interest and depth to your paragraphs. A good conclusion reinforces your main ideas. It refers back to the introduction without repeating. Only include the most important points. Avoid introducing new information. Use striking language to leave a lasting impression. Effective writing has a clear purpose and point. It supports points with specific information. Information should be connected and arranged logically. Use appropriate words and concise sentences. This ensures clarity and effectiveness in writing. Analyze text to identify effective writing elements. Look for clear purpose and definite points. Check for specific information and appropriate vocabulary. Ensure sentences are correct and error-free. This analysis helps improve writing skills. A text must have a clear introduction, middle, and end. This logical order aids in understanding. It ensures the text is well structured. Logical order is crucial for effective communication. Test your knowledge with this quiz question. A good introduction outlines the text content. It should not include too many details. The introduction sets the stage for the rest of the text. It engages the reader from the start. Test your understanding with this quiz question. The topic sentence gives the main idea of a paragraph. It is usually the first sentence. This sets the tone for the paragraph. A topic sentence guides the reader. Test your knowledge with this quiz question. Through logical order, coherent paragraphs, and effective writing techniques, you now know how to create engaging and structured texts. These skills are essential for clear communication. Apply them to enhance your writing proficiency.